This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is part 2 of subtracting angles that are given in degrees, in minutes, and seconds, and we're going to do these two problems on this video. So here's the first problem. You might want to start by writing the 26 degrees minus 102 degrees 38 minutes. And a common mistake is for somebody to say, oh, that's 24 degrees 38 minutes. That's wrong, because 126 degrees minus 102 degrees is 24 minutes, but you also have to subtract 38 degrees from that, so it would be smaller, not bigger than 24 degrees. So, first of all, make sure you don't do that. You have to subtract 38 from something, and right now there's no degrees up here. If you want, write 0. And so you can't take 38 from 0. Well, you can. You'd have a negative number. That complicates things. So instead, remember that 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So we could borrow from this 126 and make it 125 degrees. And so we have 1 degree to write as 60 seconds. All right, so now we could do our subtraction because we could take 38 from 60 and 102 from 125. So that'll give us just 23 degrees and 22 minutes. All right, here's our next one. So again, we want to start off by writing 87 degrees. Now notice it says 12 seconds. So notice I don't have anything in for the minutes here. So I'm going to write 0 minutes for now and 12 seconds. And I'm going to subtract 14 degrees, 8 minutes, and 50 seconds. So we're going to have to do some borrowing here. So first of all, I notice I've got 12 seconds. I can't do 12 minus 50. So I usually would go over and try to take from the minutes, but notice there aren't any minutes. So I'm going to go all the way over here to the 87 degrees. And I'm going to borrow, in other words, that's the same as 86 degrees plus 1 more degree, which I am now going to write as 60 minutes. Okay, so you see that my first step is to rewrite the 87 degrees as 86 degrees and 60 minutes. But I still have this problem. I still have 12 degrees minus 50. I'm sorry, 12 seconds minus 50 seconds. I need to borrow now from the 60 minutes. So I'm going to write that as 59 minutes. And I get to add 60 seconds, right? Because so I'm going to use a different color and move this down a little so we're all have plenty of room. Okay, so I had 60 minutes. I'm going to write that as 59 minutes plus 60 seconds. So I get to add 60 seconds over here. All right, can you do that in your head? 60 plus 12 is 72 seconds. If you need to write over, you could always write all this stuff over on this side work. Right now it's possible to subtract. And yeah, it is kind of confusing. So if you don't get it the first time, try again. 86 minus 14, right? That's 72 degrees. 59 minus 8 is 51 degrees. I'm sorry, 51 minutes. And 72 minus 50 is 22 seconds. So you may wonder, I wonder if that's right. Well, the one way you could always check any subtraction problem is to do an addition problem. So here's how you could check. Just add these together. Add the 72 degrees. And I did a video first on adding, so you can go back and look at that. 51 minutes, 22 seconds. You're going to add 14 degrees, 8 minutes, 50 seconds. And when you first add, you're going to get this 86 degrees, 59 minutes, and 72 seconds. But you could rewrite this 72 seconds, watch, little shortcut here. That's really going to be 1 minute and 12 seconds left over, right? Let me put that 1 so it's right under there. So are you with me? I'm writing 72 minutes as 1 degree, 12 seconds. So that gives me 86 degrees, 60 minutes and 12 seconds. But now I could do it again. This 60 minutes could be written as 1 degree, right? So I really have 86 degrees and 12 minutes. I'm sorry, 87 degrees. Forgot to add the 1. And now you look, that was what I started out with, right? 87 degrees, 12 minutes. So it does check out. So you could always do that with your checking any of your subtraction problems. Go back and add. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.